today, me, father and son are going to make something different. Something that contains chili, something that contains chicken, something that is spicy. Dad, do you have any idea which dish can go for all these perfect?
It's a dry chili chicken.
Oh, very interesting. We must try to make it. And after all, I do feel hungry, so we must make it. And before you get into the video, you must remember, you can look above right now. You will find our cappuccino video. Really good. You must, after watching the video, please do go to our suggested videos over here. And then make sure to watch this video. It's really nice. And let's get started.
For the chili chicken, I am using 750 grams of chicken with bone. I already cut the chicken into small dices. Ginger garlic paste for marinate the chicken. Chili paste 30 grams. Spring onion 50 grams. Chopped fresh coriander leaves 30 grams. Ginger and garlic julienne for making sauces. Sliced green chilli 4 pieces. 4 pieces of whole red chilli. 1 egg. 30 gram all-purpose flour. 30 gram corn flour. 30 ml of dark soya sauce. 30 ml of tomato ketchup. You can use sunflower oil or vegetable oil for frying. Finally, salt to taste. To marinate the chicken, first we have to place a bowl, then add half the quantity of chili paste, red chili paste. Also put ginger garlic paste. You need to take all ginger garlic paste and 1 spoon of soya sauce. Then add egg, 1 pinch of coriander leaves and salt. Then mix all ingredients together like this. And finally, mix the chicken with the sauce like this. Then rest it around 1 hour. Heat the frying pan. Add sufficient amount of sunflower oil for frying the chicken. Meanwhile, place a bowl, add corn flour, plain flour, then mix together for coating the chicken. Then mix very well. I will show you how to coat the chicken. First, mix the chicken very well. Then take one by one, just shift into the flour mixer like this. Okay. Then coat evenly all sides like this. So then directly fry into the oil. Now I need to turn the chicken into other side because one side almost ready. Look, this, the other side is very nicely crispy. Yes, chicken almost ready. Look the color of the chicken. It's all brown color now. So it will take around 8 minutes to fry the chicken. Now I am going to remove the chicken from the frying pan like this. Look the color of the chicken, nicely crispy all over the chicken. Now I am shifting into the another pan for draining the oil.
portion of chicken is being fried. Chickens have been fried now, and we are now going to the next step.
Heat the frying pan, add the oil, add ginger garlic julienne, four pieces of red chilli, sliced green chilli, then mix very well. Slightly brown color, then I will going to add red chilli paste. Chilli paste, saute again. Then add soya sauce, tomato sauce, mix very well. Make sure you need to reduce the flame. Spring onion, chopped coriander and pinch of salt. Then mix again around 30 seconds. Then add chicken. Mix together like this very well.
Looks really tasty. Dad, did you put any chilli yet?
Yeah, of course I put green chilli,
Oh, no.
red chilli paste, but
Oh no.
really,
It's going to be
very
really spicy then.
no, you can adjust the spiciness, but this is the medium spicy. But if you want to reduce the spice, and you can mix as you like.
Alright.
Yes, chili chicken ready now. See, finally I sprinkle with some coriander and spring onion. Okay, Ade, this is your chili chicken. Please try it.
Ooh, I must try it.
What do you head shaking?
To be honest with you, Dad,
Yeah.
it is really tasty and delicious. And it tastes exactly like the dry chili chicken as expected. Really impressed.
Like it?
Definitely.
Okay. And if you want, you can make it gravy as well. This one.
Ooh,
Just
nice.
need to increase the quantity of soya sauce and tomato sauce and add more water.
Well, you might have seen us taste a video. You can also give us a comment in the comment section below. And please try this food, and you can also give a comment on how you made your food in the comment section below once again. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it to your friends. And we will see you later in the next video. Bye!
Bye.